Christine. So in the house that we're staying in, it was my job to organize the fridge. And I learned from the best. Well, I think you'd be proud. We have the top shelf, yogurt, accoutrements, all the berries, and a little leftover. Fruit, milk, my chicken, Mexican drawer, bacon drawer. Down below, lox and deli meat, my veggies. Below, salad fixings. On the right, we have all the things for coffee, the half and half and a little mustard. Extra eggs, butter, drinks and salad dressing, juices, and unhealthies. View. Thought you'd be proud.